Guys, I'll be honest, I love a good burger. One thing else I love is this set. It's a beautiful set. We are down in Florida filming with all the Griddle pros, having a really good time cooking up some good groceries. Going back to the burger, I am doing a beautiful country burger. It's going to have some 80-20 ground chuck, sausage, little egg, some other little goodies. You won't want to miss it. Let's get started. That's some good groceries. All right, to get things started, we're going to get some bacon down. Use however much bacon you like, but I'm doing 2 slices per burger. After you get that onto the griddle, go onto your cutting board and get your burger balls ready. I'm doing about a 5.6 ounce burger here. The sausage, a little bit less. Going back over to your bacon, we're going to flip this bacon. I want to bring it up towards the front. It's just going to hang out. It's just going to be loosey-goosey. You do notice there is some glorious bacon fat that has rendered out right there. Don't put that down the drain, friends. Don't put that down the drain. We're going to put our burger balls right on top. Right there. Right there. Now, somebody said there's this guy. He has a trick on doing a smash burger. I'm going to try it out and I'm going to see how it goes, okay?
Who's this guy? Who is this guy?
This guy, JC, is what his name is, I think. Or no, CJ. Put your burger balls down, let them get a little bit of a crust on the bottom, flip them, and then smash them. Sounds pretty epic to me. We're also going to do the same thing on these sausage balls, y'all. Put those right there, and we're going to let those get that little caramelization on the bottom. Let's see what we got. We're just going to come over. Okay, okay, I see. All right, do that with our sausage. All right, now let's get our little smashy. And again, we're not doing a smash burger here, guys. We're just looking to flatten this out. Okay? Darn. Color me pink. By golly. Going to get that nice crust on it. We're pressing it down. We're holding it a little bit. That's essential. Okay? And how do you did it again?
Hey, 2 for 2.
I did it again. Let's see what our sausage can sometimes, even with parchment paper, will stick.
Oh.
It's fine. It's fine. Sausage is always a little bit difficult to work with.
You gotta be gentle. You gotta be gentle.
And it's okay. It's okay. Take your little spatula.
All right, just try this one gentle.
Do a little peeky.
Yeah.
Look at that. And I'll be darned. We're going to use some of this bootleg burger from Blackstone. Just on the burger. Sausage already has a lot of seasoning in it because it's breakfast sausage. Already got good flavor. We're going to give these burgers just a few minutes and we're going to come right back. Guys, it's been a few minutes. Our burgers are still kind of cooking. We're going to slide these over, just over here to this side. We're going to flip our sausage over. Getting a nice crust to it. Because all this nice flavor, this grease is right here, and we're going to fry our eggs in here, okay? Now our eggs, we got to have a little salt and pepper. They got to be seasoned too, y'all. That's crucial. Season it at every little spot. We're going to do a little salt, a little pepper. Just saying, a little whiskey burger does well too. See that little membrane around there? If you know me, I'm a very big advocate busting that up. And your egg will cook a lot faster. And you'll have no issues. Okay? There we go. We're just gonna let that be for right now, y'all. Let's talk about our buns, hon. Little potato roll. Love a potato roll. Nice, soft, supple. Do as you will. If you use butter, it's fine. I like to use some mayonnaise from time to time. I'm a butter guy too, but butter isn't here for me right now. So, a little bit of mayonnaise. Now we're gonna put these down onto the griddle. All right, we'll put our buns down, nice and brown. We're gonna put those over onto our cutting board. All right, now we're gonna put on top of each of our burger patties, we're gonna put that sausage patty. Then we're gonna bring some cheese, good old grade A American cheese. Put that right on top of each one of our patty piles right here. We got this beautiful egg as well. We're gonna lay that on each one of those burger patty piles. Holy cow. We're gonna let those hang out right here. Griddle's off actually, just a little residual heat will help melt that cheese. We gotta mayonnaise our buns. And we do that with Duke's mayonnaise. It's a state law, even in Florida. Put a little mayonnaise down. Okay. As little or as much as you want. I'll take extra, please. Okay. Make sure you got your bottoms and your tops right, because I do have a tendency of mixing those up a little bit. A little bit of nice green leafy lettuce right onto that bottom. Come over here to our burger piles. Oh man, look at that. That's gonna be good right there. It's talking to me. I like to round mine off with a little bit of red onion or purple onion, however you want to say it. A little bit of tomato. Now, always salt and pepper your tomatoes, y'all. That is a big state law. Last but not least, a few beautiful pickles. And there you have it, friends. You have the country burger. Guys, let's give this burger a try. Oh Lord. This egg gravy is just going everywhere.
Egg gravy?
A little egg gravy. Tell you what.
I've never heard that term before.
That's a dippy drippy.
It would be
beautiful
great.
Egg.
It would be great if somebody
sauce
could share this with.
And a purple onion.
Purple onion. Let's give it
You
great.
would.
I don't know what that is.
I've never.
Because it doesn't exist.
It doesn't exist. Yeah, y'all let me know how that is. I'd love to try that delicious
Sausage.
burger.
Like the sausage. It kind of the breakfast seasoning, the sage. You get it. Really cut.
Oh, whoa.
I've never had a
Hang
burger
on the
with
stage.
breakfast sausage on it.
Let Ethan try it.
Really, really good.
We could let Ethan try it.
You would. Speaking of good groceries.
You know what would make this really good?
Does anybody like bacon?
How do you forget the bacon?
Do you want me-
I don't know. Guys, I appreciate you stopping by with us. Hey, head on over to the Blackstone Network where you'll see other awesome burgers just like this. Hey, I'm Matt Hussey, and that's
some good groceries.
some good groceries.
Really good groceries.